welcome back to another video of the support team at Wiedii. My name is Clovis, and today's video is going to be another tip on customer service. This tip is basically about empathizing with the customer. So basically showing how we value the customer's business and how much we appreciate them.
Customer service, how can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I have a problem. I need to upload a file to the system, and it won't let me. The system won't let me to upload the file, and I need to do it right now because I have a meeting in an hour, and I need to do this right now. Could you please help me?
Sure thing, I can help you. Can I have your full name, please?
Yeah, my name is Andrew.
Okay, Mr. Andrew, I understand your frustration right now, and I want to help you with that. Can you please tell me what kind of computer you're using?
Okay, I'm using a Mac, a computer.
Okay, I understand. And what kind of error is the web page showing you right now?
Well, it's so annoying because every time that I try to upload a file, it shows me an error that says the format is not compatible, something like that with the system, so I cannot upload it.
Okay, I appreciate your patience with this issue. Can you please tell me what kind of format you're using for the file?
Actually, it's a report that I'm doing. It's in a numbers file.
Okay. Currently, the web page is only going to take Excel formats, so you will need to export it.
Okay, so what I need to do? Can you please explain me like that? I'm kind of in a rush.
Sure thing. That's pretty easy. You can open your report, go to the top left, and you will see the file. You will click on export and export to Excel, and that will be it. You can save it on your computer and then upload it.
And that's it? That's everything I have to do?
Yes, sir. That would be it.
All right. Okay, I'm going to give it a try, and I will call you if I need some assistance, okay?
Yes, that would be
all right,
good.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day, Mr. Andrew.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, so that was the video. Some important lines that maybe you could have noticed or picked up on was when Betsy used the phrases like, I appreciate your patience, or I understand your frustration. Those lines we used to maybe calm down the customer. They sounded like they were anxious and very stressed. So maybe it always helps to calm down the customer. It always helps them to it always helps them to calm down so that they have a clear mind and they're able to express the problem that they're facing. So because Betsy used those phrases, the client was able to explain their problem and get it solved. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook as Wiedii and on Instagram as Wiedii.co. Okay, bye.